gonna leave the house number.
Do you want people online to know our address?
No.
Exactly. Hey guys, Monkey Queen here. Welcome back to another video. I still don't have an official intro for this channel, but brain thoughts work. Anyways, we're doing a different kind of video today that I don't think we'll do again because I got a LootAnime box. Has to turn it so it's the right way because it had Voltron stuff in it and I caved. But I only got the 1 month, so probably the only way of having more of these videos is it would be a long time from now, or if Loot Crate sponsored, but I don't think they would ever sponsor me because I'm not a big channel. Yeah, we're gonna open this now. Throws knife onto table thing. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting some of the objects that way or handing them to Child, who is over there. Do you want to come say hi?
Hi.
Child. Oh, there's 2 shirts. Cool. I think I know. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa, wait. I didn't know that there was 2 shirts, but I'm happy with this. Because this is a Voltron thing as a shirt. I'm actually going to wear that a lot. Next shirt is this is the one that I already knew about. It was Hunter x Hunter. And I'm probably going to end up giving it to my brother, not going to lie. Yeah, this was the one that was featured for this month, which the month's theme was search, I think. I threw it at the Child.
How dare you?
Next item is a Mob Psycho 100 thing, which is an anime I still need to watch, but it says it's a coffee mug. I don't drink coffee, but I may use it for like hot chocolate or something. Sets. Also, it's just a standard. Oh, never mind. I saw this and I thought it was just gonna be a standard white coffee mug, but it's not. There's that on that side. Okay. Well, that's a thing. Gonna put that over there. Looks like this is a Tokyo Ghoul lanyard. It has a sticker in it. Come back knife, because I don't want to rip the packaging, I just want to cut it. Oh, that's cool. It has a little Kaneki's mask, is a little keychain thing on it. And then this is the sticker. Kinda wish it was Toka instead, because Toka's better in my opinion. Oops. So that's a thing. And it looks like a Death Note wall scroll thing. Gets the knife again. Table there. Actually, this might be a pillowcase, but it looks like a poster. I don't know what it is. Okay, so it is a poster then. It's Ryuk. Is this a poster? Or is it a bandana? I don't know. It kind of looks like both. I'll look in the book here in a minute and see. And then the pamphlet thing is apparently it is a bandana, okay. It's a poster on its own. Okay. Yeah, that was all the stuff. The Voltron thing is still my favorite. The box is a word search that I'm not gonna do. Yeah, that was interesting. Still don't know what this thing is, so I'll figure that out later. But yeah, this was a short video, but that's fine. If you didn't guess, I was in casual Pidge cosplay because I knew there was Voltron stuff. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you feel like doing so. Love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.